Joining us today to talk about the building's energy system is Pierre de Gagné, Director of Utilities and Campus Sustainability. Hi, Pierre.
Pleasure to be here.
This building has such an amazing vibe. Even on an overcast day like today, we still get a lot of light. But windows are a problem because they're a major source of heat loss. How do you efficiently heat a building that is so big and that has so many windows?
The building envelope, like every other element of the design, involves trade-offs. So the amount of natural light coming in is an advantage in some senses. In the daytime, when the sun's coming through, it can add heat to the building when you want it in the winter, and also it can add daylight year-round during daylight hours, and you can limit how much artificial light you need at the perimeter.
What about on a warmer day, say spring or fall, when you still need to heat the building but you have extra heat? Where does that extra heat go?
The building's excess heat is able to be exported from the building and heat less intelligent buildings on the campus.
That is truly fantastic. You're cutting down on the campus's total energy costs by taking heat from this building and transferring it to heat other buildings.
Absolutely. The other features that help us get the energy budget really low involve two forms of heat recovery. The first one involves all the used air going up to the very top of the building and exchanging its heat with the fresh air coming in. And so on a typical winter day, say minus 25 Celsius, we are able to preheat the fresh air coming in to about 17 Celsius. So minus 25 to plus 17 is pretty substantial. So there's about zero energy budget associated with the ventilation of the building. The next thing we did was we designed the distribution of the heat in the building to be water-based, and the temperature of the water is ultra low. It's the lowest I've ever heard of in Ottawa. It's 40 Celsius or bath water temperature. And so that helps us recover all the waste heat associated with all the equipment, lights, and people in the buildings.
That is truly amazing. Thank you so much for joining us today, Pierre.